How do radiocarbon dating and other methods help date archaeological findings? If you've ever wondered how archaeologists figure out the age of ancient artifacts and sites, you're about to uncover some fascinating methods. Let's start with one of the most popular techniques, radiocarbon dating. Radiocarbon dating is a direct dating method that measures the amount of radioactive carbon-14 or 14C left in organic materials like wood, bones, and textiles. Here's how it works. All living things absorb 14C from the atmosphere and food chain. When an organism dies, it stops absorbing 14Cc, and the existing 14C begins to decay at a steady rate. By measuring the remaining 14C in an artifact, scientists can calculate how long ago the organism died. For example, if a piece of wood from an ancient structure has half the amount of 14C as a living tree, it's about 5,730 years old, which is the half-life of 14C. However, to get an accurate calendar date, scientists use a calibration curve based on the radiocarbon dating of ancient trees like bristlecone pines and oaks. This curve helps convert the radiocarbon age to a calendar age, giving a more precise date. Now let's talk about other dating methods that complement radiocarbon dating. Relative dating is another crucial technique that helps archaeologists understand the chronological order of artifacts without giving a specific age. One of the key methods in relative dating is stratigraphy. Stratigraphy involves examining the layers of soil, rock, and other materials at an archaeological site. The law of superposition is a fundamental principle here. It states that older layers are found below younger layers. By analyzing these layers, archaeologists can create a sequence of events for the site. For instance, if a layer of pottery is found below a layer of metal artifacts, the pottery is likely older than the metal artifacts. Another relative dating method is through the analysis of tree rings, known as dendrochronology. By comparing the rings of living and dead trees, archaeologists can create regional sequences that count back in time. This method is particularly useful for dating wooden artifacts and structures. Indirect dating is another approach that estimates the age of an artifact by dating something else associated with it. For example, if an artifact is found in a layer of soil that also contains dated organic material, the artifact can be dated indirectly by the age of the soil layer. In the case of the Tel Gezer excavation project in Israel, radiocarbon dating played a significant role in confirming the site's chronology. The results from the site matched historical events described in written sources, including the Bible. This was possible because the radiocarbon dating of organic materials from the site provided a precise timeline that could be correlated with historical records. In summary, radiocarbon dating, relative dating methods like stratigraphy and dendrochronology, and indirect dating all work together to help archaeologists determine the age of archaeological findings. Each method provides a piece of the puzzle, allowing researchers to reconstruct the past with greater accuracy and confidence.